You see? Hey folks, work again today. I'm getting tired. Problem with working from home is you think you can go to bed later because you get a lie-in, but it doesn't really work like that. So I just end up being tired for the whole day. Okay, she's awake. And she's just posted that. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm gonna go squeeze her butt. Do you want the curtains open? Back to work. Ciao.
Good night.
Off the top of my head, no, but I'll find out now. Yeah. Right, here is the drone. Now, before I start, yes, that is a mermaid tail. I'm in Lil's costume and sewing room, which I'm using as an office for the time being. Anyways, so this is the issue I'm having with my drone. This is a DJI Phantom 4 V2, and when you turn the drone on, this gimbal camera, or this camera on a gimbal, goes through its motions. It turns left, turns right, and it goes all the way down and all the way up. Now, if you look, you see? It does kind of a bit of what it's meant to, but not all of it. I don't know if you saw the video from vlog day 2, but it just, you can't control it, it's super shaky and it's not going through its motions, so something's wrong. I am a fan of kind of pulling things apart and trying to put them back together, figuring it out, but it's so expensive. I don't want to ruin my own equipment by effectively ripping it apart and then trying again, especially if I fail, because then what? So now I just need to send it off to DJI, but it is kind of annoying because obviously we're trapped inside, so it would have been nice to have the drone because I could have effectively gone on a virtual walk or a virtual fly anyway. And I was going to rely on this for the kind of corona vlogs, but hey ho. Yay! Put it up high and I'll jump. I will. It's not going to be us, but imagine if you got quarantined with like a new girl or a new boy or a new whatever, and it actually turns out you're not that compatible. It'd be awful. Imagine like week 1 you're like, actually no, I don't want to be in this.
There's a thing on Facebook the other day saying, it was just like an article on like that's happened all, like all over, like people are having to make these like awkward decisions of whether they actually don't see each other for potentially a very long time.
Yeah, yeah.
Or whether they actually like fully move in. Obviously for us it was a bit of a no-brainer, but if you were like super
No-brainer.
new, you know, for like 2 years, you know,
It's a no-brainer, duh.
To be fair though, no, for us we didn't even think about it though. It was more to do with you separating from your grandparents.
14,543 have tested positive.
I was talking to him. I was talking to Grandad Mac just, and
He does not got any bits for the other one yet, has he?
Grandad.
Hello, hi Lily.
It's Josh, Gran. It's Josh. Just been on a run, feeling strong. Pizza party.
The only place that's still open during quarantine.
Callum's missing me, so we have to FaceTime him.
Wait, just you? It's just missing you? What the message says?
Yeah.
What does the message say? Read it out to me. Well, I want to see it.
You're a joke.
No, it's not a joke.
Sister, Josh, Callum is desperate to see you, so let us know when you're on Skype. Mandy, try and FaceTime Callum, he's missing you so much.
I'll message Mandy. I'm not messing me like. Not satisfactory answer, I'm going to be honest.
I'm sure he is, Lily, but he just loves his Uncle Josh. Hey, here he is! Big Mac. Wow.
Did the tooth fairy come? A big one's come in.
Let me see.
Oh yeah, it's growing already. How are you all?
Good. Feeling well.
Yeah.
Picture on your desk of them too, yeah. Right, we've just done scrapbooks. It's Friday now, but obviously the days are just merging.
Are you working out as well?
Yeah.
What, in the same room? Because I dispute that.
What a dickhead. Yeah, there's more room in there. There's more